Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. It is 10:30 p.m. Central Time on September 1st, 2014. Got you facing north by northwest. We've got severe weather coming in pretty much from several directions. Northwest and south of us as well. Of course, you can see the edge of that large supercell against the other nighttime sky. I'll bring you around the side of the house here. No thunder on this yet, though. Alright, so that's what's going on to the south. Let's come back over here. So it's very active to our south. And to the north, well, got some low-lying scud coming in here. You can see that on the horizon. And dark below the scud. But the activity is really just to my south. Let's just go ahead and set you back here. If we can get a good shot of this. Okay, we got first real rumble thunder. Okay guys, I'm going to take you one more time around here, and we are again on the south side of St. Louis. This is currently facing south from the south side. Here is our east, where you can see the head, the top of this massive supercell, and you can see the sky is being lit up dramatically now by lightning to our west as well. So I'll bring you over here west, and this is to our west. Let me get you in 100 other percent of the house here. Okay, so here we are now facing west, so this is our north now here, west. The wind's starting to pick up as well, and then this is back down to the south where the previous heavy flashes were occurring. Total face in that. Love it. Cordelia. And in case you're wondering why the clouds are so bright, that is lit up from street lights here in St. Louis. We got a real low cloud deck, so, or ceiling. Okay. Uh-oh. Tornado sirens are coming on. Oh, great. I can tell you this. The clouds, as you can see, are blowing from north to south. Temperature right now is about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Gusts at about 20 miles an hour, I'd say, 20, 25. And the gusts are cold, but the air itself is balmy and humid. With the amount of lightning activity, I'm not surprised that there's tornado activity. They don't sound the sirens until there's an actual warning here, so the warning usually means either rotation detected or an actual tornado sighted. Funnel cloud sighted by a professional spotter. That's how they determine these warnings. So, and now back to my north. Okay, some pretty intense flashes that I just saw up to the north here coming my way. So it's developing now to the north and to our south and to our west. Okay, we got those tornado sirens on. Sorry, the autofocus is on. It's nighttime mode on my camera phone. So it gets a pretty good picture though. My other cameras are not available right now. Kind of sucks. Well, wonder how long these sirens are going to go for. They're on for now a minute or two. Okay guys, well, I just felt a raindrop, so I think it's almost about time. Let's just go ahead. Whoa, we got a bird. Look at that. Thunderbird? That thing's huge. Look at that thing. That guy is huge compared to the tree. Are you kidding me? He's right here. See him? Look at that. Holy crap. Whoa, there's another one. There's two of them. At night, it's going on 11 o'clock. In a thunderstorm. Look, he's up there again. Here, look, 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 watch. Right the center. Flying directly overhead. He's directly overhead. It's a huge, huge bird of some kind. It's crazy. Okay. Big raindrops. Alright, you just saw it. Thunderbird. I can't believe it, really? It was some kind of large bird high up that came down with another one. Two large birds. Or maybe it was the same one that came back around the side of the house. That's crazy. That is crazy. I still can't believe there's a giant bird flying around in this. Are you kidding me? Wingspan on that thing had to be at least 2 feet, 3 feet across, or more, 4. I mean, I don't want to go that far, but at least 2.5, 3 feet. I mean, you saw it in comparison to the giant tree that's here. This tree is a good 100-something feet tall, 120 feet tall, let's say. No kidding. Here's a car. There's the tree. And the bird was up beyond the tree. That's crazy. Alright guys, I'm getting pretty wet here, so I'm going to call it. Get this video out. I'm going to try and zoom in on that bird and see what we can get on zoom in on that thing, okay? That's crazy. I've never seen that before. And I've seen a lot of storm chasing before. I've never seen a bird riding on a tornado that's that big. That kind of just, it goes with that Native American Indian legend of the Thunderbird, you know, I mean, of course. much coming right overhead now. Pretty much strobe effect lightning right now, with about 40 mile an hour to 50 mile an hour winds. And the temperature has dropped to a cool 50s, mid 50 degrees. Goosebumps, cold breeze. Wow. That doesn't sound normal. Oh shit, there goes a tree. There goes a tree. I don't know if you just heard that. Let me wipe off the lens. Guys, I'm hearing some kind of rumbling, but it's not thunder. You hear that? That. That's like a jet engine. Do you hear that? If you guys are listening to this, put on a pair of headphones. Listen. There's thunder. Running out of phone space, guys. But I think you got the picture here. We are under severe weather and got some roaring going on up in the sky and some other stuff. Lots of lightning and thunder. And a thunderbird. Top it all off. Some kind of giant bird. I'm going to go see if my other camera's working, and if it is, I'll be bringing that one back out here. This is just